My dear friend millionaires, welcome to my show. silverGameOfThrone is here from a no bullshit channel, just the truth. So today I want to talk about Bitcoin gold. Bitcoin gold, you know, I talked a couple of times about Bitcoin gold. Maybe it's time to come back. So first of all, market very interesting today. You know, if you look on this market, all these clones, they pump all these clones and they take money from these clones and invest. Where they invest? Right, limited, public, privacy coins. This is where they invest. This garbage, Zeta, Beta, Creta. You see, they pump it like $15. Now it's going down. Garbage is a garbage, you know, whatever, you know, others tell you, oh, it's the best technology. All these clones will go where they belong, guys. You don't understand. If you look here and you see milliards and you see unlimited, another garbage, Binance coin, you know, what a garbage. And the only use case of this coin is because, you know, the Binance is trading, you know. Let security, you know, run after this Binance and you will see what will happen to this coin. Another thing is all this public, you know, all this public limited coins like Bitcoin, like Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, you know, they don't care. You know, this garbage come and go. And this coin will stay, I'm telling you. This coin will stay. Litecoin, Bitcoin, you know, just go here and click on calculation supply and look at calculation supply. Here finance, compound. You see, 47%, they go up. Why? 5 million only. 5 million only. Guys, compare to all this garbage, you know, billions and trillions, you know. Dash, Zcash, my friend Zcash, 30% up. Dash, 27% up, right? 11 million, 10 million, you know. Monero, 17 million. Bitcoin, Bitcoin SV, Bitcoin Cash, these are all good guys. You know, Bitcoin Gold, where is my Bitcoin Gold? Somewhere here. No. Bitcoin Gold, I don't see Bitcoin Gold here. Where? Why? Bitcoin Gold, I missed it. Where is my Bitcoin Gold? Oh, some reason it's not coming here. Okay, because it's not in 100. Yes. So because it is the second one, right? Bitcoin Gold is here. In a second one, Bitcoin Gold, yeah, it's also limited, 70 million. Okay, so what is my message? You know, guys, all these clones, they come and go. Okay, you need to understand, you know, all these clones, it's temporary. It's temporary, you know, they pump it and then, you know, they dump it into, you know, the real gold, guys, real gold, the limited, and you know, the public coin. Another thing I want to mention, like all these clones, they don't need energy. You need to understand, you know, they are parasites. All these clones, they are parasites. Why? Because they don't need any energy. You understand? They came from nothing and will go to nothing, you know. To establish like a Litecoin, for example, it took 10 years to understand. It took 10, maybe 2011, like maybe less, maybe 8 years to establish such coin. It took 8 years, it took 7 years, you know. Zcash, it took 5 years, 6 years. Dash, to establish these coins, it takes time. And what about this garbage, you know? This Zeta, it came up in 1-2 months, right? It came up to $15 1-2 months. The same speed it go up on elevator and go down on a free fall, right? So just be aware, you know, they pump, they have money. Now, another thing, you know, like if you look into Zeta, for example, look into volume. You know, the volume is a joke in compared to what you see today. Why? It's also very easy to manipulate. Everyone who has $100 million can, you know, run it to the moon. Okay, so run, enjoy the ride if you are inside, but don't forget to go out because this garbage is going to crash one day, right? So. Okay, so we talk about gold, Bitcoin gold, right? So Bitcoin gold, everyone is asking why it's not in 100 first. Are you care? Why do you care? What you need to care is Bitcoin Gold. It's already $45. Last time when I talked, it was $13. Now it's 3 times more. So again, guys, you don't need to be genius, you know, to talk about crypto when there is a bull market. You don't need to be genius. When last time I talked about Zcash, it was $60. Now it won $80. 3 times. You know, this is 3 times. You know, everything is pumped 3 times. So you don't need to be genius. Okay, so let's talk about, yeah, let's put some charts here. Okay, so I put some charts here just for this show. So what I did basically, these charts, this is Fibonacci tool from all-time high. I think it's all-time high, even 2018 to all-time low. Okay. And I put Fibonacci and you see these levels. Okay, so what is happening with this coin? Like everything in bull market, it go up. Okay, and the volume, well, how much volume Bitcoin Gold? Volume is somehow low, right? 64, 65 million. It's 105, but it's 33% up, guys. I don't understand why people complain. You know, like, you invest into good guys, okay? It's a limit, it's limited, it's public, it's only 17 millions, right? So why you complain? Oh, why you complain? You want to go like a Polkadot? You want to go like a Zeta? It will not go like all these garbages, you know? Because this coin is need to mine this coin. This coin need energy. This is totally different thing. But it's more chances, you know, when this market will collapse, and it will collapse one day, it's more chances that this coin will survive. You know, this is very important, because when .com you know, collapse, not many projects survive, right? So even you had this multi-billion on your screen, doesn't matter, right? Because in the end it left with nothing. It's all dust, guys. It's all dust. When if you take get your profit, it's real money. But if you see this, you know, up, pump and dump, you know, and think, oh, one day I will be millionaire, and then nothing left. So yeah, I don't know why you complain. It's 3x you made from last time. Yeah, I was searching a little bit about use cases, and everyone complains that, you know, even in old days, we had gold coins in circulation all the time, but it's not sure. But everyone say Bitcoin Gold because of name, like a digital gold, right? It should be more used in everyday business, you know. That's what they want. Yeah, they talk about open source, digital, everything nice, everything cool here. But in the end of the day, you know, to really grow, and don't be like only hype, you know, pump and dump coin. You really need a use cases, you know. Recently I was reading about Bitcoin Satoshi Vision, Bitcoin SV, and you know, it's really amazing. This coin can make 50,000 transactions in 1 second. 50,000. No one coin can do this. Why they don't talk about this coin? Because it's totally different. Because, you know, behind this, there is not much pump and dump behind this coin, but the technology. But they don't like it. This market all about pump and dump, you know, today. But let's see, maybe it will change tomorrow. So not many use cases for Bitcoin Gold. And if you look into charts, so I put all charts, and you can see all these levels, you know, Fibonacci level. So you see, this was really hard to pass, okay, this level, when it was around $30, right? But I think we cross it, right? Now we are around 40 something dollar, $41 something. And it's very good, because, you know, from $40 up to, I think, $80, so like 2x, there is no really any tradings here. You can see here, you see, it's just a flat, it's a little bit. So I think we can easily reach $18, okay? $80, guy. I don't know when, but I think, I believe it will be this spring, okay? This spring it will reach around $80, because there is no any trading in this area, right? So the next level to watch after $80 will be $130. So first of all, let me say something here. So how high I think Bitcoin Gold can reach? How high can reach this bull market? if I'm, you know, just globally, if I'm looking into Bitcoin 60,000, and as I say, Bitcoin can reach like anything between 150 and 300K. So let's say 4x from today, right? So 4x from today, if you do 40, it will be like 160 bucks. I believe it will go higher. As you know, altcoin season, it will go higher. But I don't believe we'll reach all-time high when it was here. I believe my analysis, I think that this is our zone to reach in this bull market, somewhere around $400. Around $400. Of course, it will be, you know, like they go up, then, you know, some play here, then go down, then again up, then go down. It's not an easy way. It's not an easy way to reach. But I believe that this year, probably somewhere on the spring, we will reach somewhere around this area. Okay, 80 bucks. Summer 150 bucks somewhere. Okay, you see summer 150 bucks, and it's perfectly fine working on this Fibonacci tool. And probably somewhere in the October, November, when I believe everyone is talking about end of this bull market, it will be this year or beginning of the next year, I believe that we will be reaching this zone. Okay, so this zone is this zone or this zone. Okay, where we possible our possible targets for this year or beginning of the next year. Okay, again, not your financial advisor, just see the possibilities. And again, you don't need to be genius, you know, to talk about, you know, profits in a bull market. Of course it will be profit. Bitcoin will be 240,000, everything will be forex profit, right? Like I say, Zcash was 60 bucks, now 180. Bitcoin gold was $13, now it's $14. Okay, take it easy, guys. Do I want, again, another thing I want to mention, it doesn't matter what you buy. Oh, should I buy Bitcoin gold, or should I buy you know, Zcash? Or, it doesn't matter. You know, the variations, right? Someone will pump 5x, someone will pump 5x, someone will pump 4x. You know, the variation is here. No one can predict variation. But in the end of the day, you need to invest into 2-3 core project, maybe 2-3 another like small project, you know, around, like, you know, that's it, all you need. You know, you do your investment smart, and you know, you really need to invest in a top 100. Okay, Bitcoin gold is a good investment, but volume 64 million. You know, there is no big you know, developing team around this project, but it may go up. It was above 100 one day, and then it come back. And you know, if we talk about you know, profits, any day you can do swing trade, right? If you, let's say, you think Bitcoin gold is getting, you know, good attention, let's say 50-100%, then you can move your profit to another public privacy coin like Dash or Zcash. I don't know who is buying Dash or Litecoin, really, guys. In this bull market, I don't know, because in the end of the day, Zcash was equal Dash and was equal Litecoin. Okay, so just buying Zcash and doing swing trades, you can make more Dash, more Litecoin. You know, this is no doubt about this. This is how this market works. Okay, so just short update to you guys on you know, on targets this year for Bitcoin gold, and everything is green, you know. Again and again, you know, you don't need to be genius, you know, to predict bull market when there is a bull market, your profits. Okay, so I say, you know, profit for Bitcoin gold somewhere between 4x and 7x. Okay, so 4x and 7x, this is my prediction for Bitcoin gold. And hope you enjoy, guys, and put your comments. What do you think? Not much to talk about this when there is a bull market. Everything is green. Yeah. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Bye bye, guys.